In this brief tutorial, we will address the issue of a malfunctioning calculator application on Samsung devices following a system update. Many users have reported encountering difficulties with their calculator app after installing a Samsung update. To begin, access the device's settings. Once in the settings menu, scroll down until you locate the apps option and tap on it to view all installed applications. And select the calculator application from the search results. Subsequently, scroll down slightly and tap on Storage. Within this menu, select the Clear Data option. A confirmation prompt will emerge, seeking your consent to delete all data associated with the calculator application. Tap on Delete to confirm your decision. Following the data clearance, it is advisable to restart your device to ensure that changes take effect. To do so, press and hold the power button and select the Restart option. Once your device has successfully restarted, launch the calculator application once more. It should now function appropriately without any further issues. In conclusion, this comprehensive guide provides a solution to the common problem of a non-functional calculator application on Samsung devices after a system update. By following these steps, you can restore the calculator's functionality and continue utilizing it without any hindrances.